You can do that. You can absolutely do that, especially if you're changing out your entire mirror. Your other option, of course, is just to take the mirror face off itself. And you can do that by just working a trim tool into and in between, because right here, this crack is your mirror face. And all you need to do is just work a trim tool in, and you can work it and get the entire mirror face to come away. Now, when it does, you're gonna have your mirror and a circuit board that's plugged in here at the back of the mirror. You wanna unplug that, and then you can just take this and take it to your workbench, which is what we're going to do next. All right, guys, so you have to forgive my workbench is a bit of a mess right now, but I've kind of got set up for what we need to do. So here is the base, or the mirror that you got off. You got the stock off the window, or off the windshield. You've used your plastic trim tool to work around and get the face off. Now, in theory, you could have done this in the car as well. You could have worked your plastic trim tool in and taken the face off, and everything you need would have come off. If that works for you, don't hesitate to give it a shot. What you will do is when the face comes out, you've got a plug from the back. It's this plug right here that you're going to want to, as the face comes out, you're going to want to unplug it from the circuit board. Okay, so I've done a couple of things in a little bit of prep work just to get us set and ready to go here. So here is the new mirror. Obviously here's the old one that's bad, but the one thing that we've got to do is we've got to transfer this plate and the circuit board to the new one.